Hi guys, this video is going to be about how I created this very look. So if you want to know how I did that, please keep watching. Alright guys, as you can probably see, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to go on to priming my face. I am using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. And this is really good for people with like really oily skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my skin. Put them in the areas where I get really oily. It's basically my T-zone. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the LA Girl in Toffee. And I am going to blend it with a beauty blender. Once I'm done with blending, I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup. I'm gonna now move on to eyeshadow, the most exciting part. I'm gonna be using my Morphe 350. I'm gonna go in with this very shade right here and put that in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with this colour right here, and I'll just go just on top of that very first shade and just blend, 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 blend. Then once that is done, I am just going to go in with my eyeliner from Primark. So I'm just gonna apply that here. Now we're gonna move on to eyelashes, and I use these eyelashes from AliExpress. I think I got it from. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my eyes. Now I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty in the colour Honestly, it doesn't look that bad in person. It's just on camera, I don't know why. I'm gonna go in with my True Match L'Oreal foundation, and I'm just gonna use that.
Já não quero mais brincar. Volta doce, olha pra mim. Fica bem perto de mim. Parece fácil quando não estás. Eu sinto água bem